Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up to Tonkeeper wallet account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, in order to sign up for a new account, here you can see the Create New Wallet option. Tap on it. You need to create a new passcode for your account. Re-enter the passcode. You can choose if you want to receive instant notifications. And there you go, you've successfully created a new Tonkeeper wallet account. It was a very simple and easy process. Now that you're logged in with your account, you can easily access and explore all the features of this app. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now you'll find the backup option over here. Tap on backup. Select backup manually. Now tap on continue. Enter the passcode you just set. And now you'll see some recovery phrases. You need to back up these phrases in case you lost your phone or you want to log in from a different device later. So that's it. So you can sign up for a Tonkeeper wallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.